Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if not charging on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, check charger and cable. You will see. After check charger and cable, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on scroll down and click on battery and power saving and click on charge. Here showing you fast charging, so enable fast charging button. After enable fast charging button, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if not charging on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.